Hello there. I think my previous stream kind of broke off. My bandwidth is a little bit low, but as you can see right here on the chart, I think it's been more defined because the pullback, we've seen the pullback on the 1 hour chart on the third screen, which is the tweezer bottom. And this tweezer bottom confirms the pullback, right? I think I'm using another candlestick chart and and we can see like the tweezer bottom has appeared right here on the pullback, so it definitely still is a good buy. And it's a little bit more than on this other candlestick detector. Let me see. Even though my other candlestick detector caught it, so you can see the tweezer bottom appeared right there. So this is definitely a good buy. We can see the tweezer bottom has appeared right here on the pullback, because the buy signal did appear here on my candlestick pattern. I saw it right there. Then we see the tweezer bottom here appeared on the pullback. And so, we're using as many candlestick chart pattern detections as possible. So you can see the pullback right here on the tweezer bottom. And this is what makes it a good buy. And, so definitely I would buy GBPCAD. Yeah. So this is the pullback we're waiting for. Though I did detect it, I was a little bit too late, but we can also detect it on this right here. So I just wanted to talk about that in this stream before we cut and go offline, because on my previous stream it cut. So basically what I did was I found a trending Forex pair, trending based on the MACD pattern, and yeah, it looks like it crashed, but it's still very much positive. So I found it trending on the daily, on the 4 hour, and on the 1 hour, trending while they all had candlestick patterns attached to the trend. So after finding that, I had to wait for the pullback. So the pullback has been confirmed by another candlestick pattern on the 1 hour chart. Ideally, it should be on the 4 hour and 1 hour chart, but having the pullback being confirmed on 1 hour chart with this tweezer bottom is very, very, it's a very, very strong signal. This means this is a very good buying signal. I don't know if we can detect another one, but for sure this is a very good buy, very, very good buying signal. I don't know if I did analyze them. It would be crazy. Let me check if I analyzed. Just give me a second. Let me check if I analyzed. I'll be coming shortly. Just give me a second. So this is what I was looking for. I like test 1 2. Test. My test 1 2 1 2. My test 1 2 1 2. So this is what I was looking for, and seeing this happening here, because this is the interpretation. Right, so this was on Friday. This is Friday interpretation. So what happened was now there was a PSN line plus a dark green color on the MACD, another PSN line on the green line, and then a dark green here. So we had a very well trending pattern, and on the so there were three possible entries. The first one was entering on the break above the 4-hour PSN line. The second opportunity was entering on the 1-hour pullback as additional entry opportunity. Then the third was placing stops below the 1-hour PSN line low. Basically, there were two entry opportunities using the 1-hour pullback, and this is what has happened here. This entry is the 1-hour pullback. Okay. And it has been defined by this candlestick pattern here, called the tweezer bottom. Just a second.